Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In this video we will learn constants in Fusion 360. So the first constant is horizontal and vertical. It will convert any single line into a horizontal or vertical alignment, whichever is close to the current alignment of the line. So for example, we have this line, and then we have another line, and then we have this is third line. If I go to horizontal and vertical constant, then this is now horizontal because the current alignment of this line was close to horizontal. Also this will become horizontal. Let's see what happens with this one. And now this is vertical because its current position was close to a vertical constant, so it became a perfect vertical line. After that we have a coincident. If I go to this and if I click on this point and this point, then these 2 points will be a coincident. If I click this and this will also become coincident. The next is tangent. So this is our spline, and I want to create a line here, and we can notice a sharp edge here. If we want to make a tangent here, so we will use tangent. Click on this, and now this spline will change and make a tangent with this line. The next constant is equal. If I have two lines, and first I make it horizontal, and the dimension of this line is let's say 150, and I want to make this line same as like this. Then we need to go to equal constant, click on this and this. Now both of these lines are equal. If I measure this one, then this is also 150. After that we have parallel constant. Again I will use a line. If I have this line and go to parallel, then these two lines will become parallel to each other. The next is perpendicular, and this is a horizontal line, and if I want to make a perpendicular, then click on this and this. Now this is perpendicular line. Fix and unfix. If we have a rectangle like this and I fix this line, then the size of this line will fix and also the angle, so we cannot change this line. If I want to make it a perpendicular constant between this one and this one, then we can notice there is an error because this is already constant with fix. So we can change these, but this is not possible. The next is a midpoint. Again we create a line. This is my first line, and this is another line. So in midpoint, to the center point of this line will move to this point, or if I select this and then this point will move to the center point of this line. Let's try it. Look at this, how this changes. This is how it will constant. Again I try this. I select this point and this line, and you will notice that the point constant with the center of the other line. The next is concentric. As it is clear from its name, it is a concentric, mean same center. If I have this circle and I have this circle. If I want to make same origin of these two circles, then I will use concentric. If I select this, and we will notice that this is the origin for these two circles. After that we have collinear. If we have this line, and also I create another line like this, and I want to align this line just like this, so I will go to collinear, select this and this one, and this line will in the same direction like this line. After that we have symmetry. The next constant is symmetric. Symmetric basically arrange. The next is symmetric. The next is symmetry. Symmetry basically constrains two or more objects so that they are symmetrical. It means that they are identical to each other in a relation to a common axis. So if I have this line, and then I draw a vertical line, and again I have another rectangle, and we can notice that the distance between this rectangle and this line is close as compared to these two. So I will use this symmetric, click on this, and then over symmetry line. Now we can notice that the distance between these is same on both sides. The last one is curvature. This is a quick example of curvature, and this is over one spline, and if I create another spline, and then we can notice that this is a sharp edge. If we want to make a tangent or a smooth curvature, then we can use curvature. Click on this and this. The line which we select up first, that will change its position and its shape. Now in this I select this line first and then this one. Then we can notice that this line will change the shape and this will remain same. In this way we get a smooth curvature between two splines or two arcs. Our constraints are also complete. In the next video we will go to sketch exercises. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.